Another antenna being decommissioned. This will probably go on top of the new tower. It's just an old 27 megahertz antenna, but rather than get rid of it, why not put it on top of the tower? You never know, there's a bit of 27 meg activity around the area. It's quite high. It's a Serio 857 on top. Looking at it, it's probably 6 meters up there. Each pole is 6 meters, so it's probably 6 meters and probably another 4. It's probably about 10 meters plus the extension and bracket for the antenna. So it comes down, it's got a pole concreted into the ground. At the bottom there's like this pivot thing I made up. It just pivots and lays over. Another electric winch. And let's have a bit of a look. So lowering it, it comes out like that. It's always a bit scary lowering these things, goodness me. I stand well away. These remote controls have got, these winches have got remote controls, so how good is that? Making noises and squeaks and stuff. It's been up for a few years. Coming down. Bit squeaky, but this pole will be part of the new tower. It'll be like a secondary brace for the new tower. Let's have a bit of a look here. We've got the conduit court, got the coax court. Goodness me. Lift it up again. Pulleys are very, very noisy. Like I said, hasn't been, hope you can hear me, hasn't been used for a few years. There we go, let's remove that, right. There it is, just pivoting from the ground there. Runs up the pole, to a pulley at the top, and then out. So there we go. Oh, the trees have grown a bit since the last time we had this antenna up. That was all nicely cleared before, but as trees do, they grow. A couple of feeds up here, only one being used, and this will go on top of the new mast up there. The mast is nearly ready. The boom has been dressed over there, and there we go. There's decommissioning of another antenna mast, and we'll catch you next video. Let me know that you've been watching. Put your call sign in the comments box down below and where you're from, and everyone can see where the video is making it around the world. Thanks for watching. 73.